Hi guys, it's Shimere. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. You guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful little vegan charcuterie board, as well as this non-vegan charcuterie board. And if you guys are wondering why I had to make two different boards, it's because my husband is vegan and the other people at the holiday party that I was bringing these boards to are not vegan, so I just decided I didn't want to leave him out of the festivities. So I made a small vegan board for him and this other bigger beautiful board for the rest of the people at the party. And first up, I want to show you guys the items that I used to make these boards. So just sit back and take a look at the items and we'll jump right into how I made them next. Alrighty, so let's get started with the vegan board first. So you guys, the items, most of the items that were used for the vegan board were purchased at Walmart. The container of nuts that I bought did come from Sam's Club, and the majority of the items for the other board came from Sam's Club. But these items, the vegan cheese that I got, came from Walmart, as well as the vegan turkey slices that I got. So as you can see here, you really just have to play with the boards. That's what I learned. I feel like there are lots of ways to make your board look cute, but what you have to do is just kind of play around with it. So I would arrange a few slices of cheese, arrange a little bit of crackers, and then just kind of move them around to fit everything. Now, one thing I will say is I really think I should have got a little bit bigger board, even though I knew he'd be the only one eating off of the vegan board. I got a small one, but I feel like in order to add more grapes and things like that I'm going to add to the board, I feel like I should have got a board that was just a little bit bigger. And as you can see here, I am laying out the vegan turkey slices. I decided to just roll those and put those on there just to give it a little bit of a look instead of having them just laid out flat on the board. And let me tell you guys, my husband has been vegan for a while now, a few years, and this was his first time actually trying this brand of vegan turkey slices, and he said that they were actually good. So you guys, he's a picky eater, so that's definitely something to look out for because he actually loved the items, and honestly he loved all the items on this board, so I was very pleased about that. And here is just some chocolate hummus. It's plant-based and it came in a pack. These were actually packs that are, they say kid snacks, but they are packs of like vegan hummus with the chocolate hummus with crackers in little packs. And I just took the chocolate out and put them on a spoon, spooned it into this little bowl and put the crackers and laid everything out. And once again, just play with it and arrange it however you need to in order for it to look cute and for you to have the space to put your items. So yes, all my vegans out there, you can have a charcuterie board too, okay? So if you know someone or if you're a vegan and you don't want to miss out on the festivities, you guys go ahead and get some items together, preferably these, because this was a great little set, and make yourself a nice, delicious vegan charcuterie board. I'm telling you, I think you'll love it. And if you tried these items, comment down below. Let me know if you're a vegan who loves these items as well. And I really think it came out super cute. So here is a look at the finished product. And you guys, once again, this one was cute and simple, and it was definitely a one-person board, okay? He was able to clear this little board all on his own, and he really enjoyed all of the items that were on it. Alrighty, so now we're on to the non-vegan charcuterie board. You guys, I really love both of the boards. Both of the boards came from Ross. This board was $14.99 and it has this circle on the side, and I just put a small white bowl that I purchased from the Dollar Tree in that space so that I could put whatever I would need in that area. And you guys, one thing I will say is the items for this charcuterie board all came from Sam's Club. And what I liked about going there for these items is that you can get packs that have all of the things that you need to make a charcuterie board in it. So the big packs of cheese that I got had multiple types of cheese, and the packs of meat, I bought several different packs of meats. And you guys, they just made it so helpful for me and made it so easy for me, especially with this being my first time making charcuterie boards. And honestly, I only made them because it was last minute and I didn't want to contact the person that I know who can actually make them and have them do it at the last minute. So I just did it. But you guys, I hope you enjoy watching this process. It took a while and it took a lot of arranging, but not too long. So I just wanted to add some music so that you guys could sit back and enjoy the process of me making the charcuterie board.